Unraveling the meaning of boat owner. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific phrase that might seem straightforward but actually carries quite a bit of cultural and social context: boat owner. Stick around as we navigate through the meanings and uses of this interesting term. Let's set sail into the world of English expressions. When we look at the phrase, boat owner, we're dealing with two words that combine to form a clear concept. A boat is a type of watercraft, a vehicle designed to float on and move across water. An owner is someone who possesses something. So, a boat owner is simply a person who possesses or has legal ownership of a boat. Beyond the basic definition, being a boat owner can imply certain things about a person's lifestyle or status. Owning a boat can be associated with leisure and recreation. Think sailing on weekends, fishing trips, or luxurious yachts. It might suggest that the person has a certain level of wealth, as boats can be expensive to purchase and maintain. However, remember that boats vary widely in type and size, so assumptions should not be made without context. Let's look at how boat owner can be used in different sentences. Casual conversation. I met a boat owner at the marina. He spends his summers sailing along the coast. News report. Local boat owners are being asked to register their vessels with the new marina management system. Financial context. As a boat owner, you might be eligible for tax deductions on your vessel as a recreational expense. Each context shows a different aspect of what being a boat owner might entail. In some cultures, owning a boat is a significant achievement and can be a source of pride. It may also reflect a family tradition, especially in communities close to the sea or in areas where fishing is a way of life. In such cases, being a boat owner isn't just about status or leisure. It's part of a cultural identity and heritage. There you have it, friends, a deep dive into the phrase, boat owner. We've seen that it's not just about owning a piece of property. It can also tell us something about a person's hobbies, status, or cultural background. I hope this exploration adds a new layer to your understanding of English phrases and their implications. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to our next language adventure together. Happy learning, and